subtraction as addition. Okay, so Cole, are you with me on the next page? How do I rewrite 8 minus 13 as an addition sentence? AJ.
You go keep 8, then you go change the minus sign to plus sign, then you go make negative 13, and then answer.
Okay, so I add the opposite of the original, of the second number. So you add the opposite of the second number. So do I have more positives or negatives?
You can have positive, negative.
I have more negatives, and how many more negatives do I have? 5, so my answer is?
5. Negative 5.
So technically you're just taking like for this part, so like since the positive 7 will whatever technically you're just doing it like a negative 7, but you just put the parentheses. Is that what you like?
We're rewriting our subtraction sentence to an addition sentence. Yes. Okay, so Sahara, how do I rewrite negative 10 minus 7 as an addition sentence?
You do negative 10 plus negative 7.
Good. If I have 10 negatives and I add 7 negatives, how many total negatives do I have?
17 negatives.
Negative
7. No, you have 17.
Negative 17.
If I have 10 negatives and I add 7 negatives, I have
17 negatives.
17 negatives, so my answer is negative 17. Okay, I want you to rewrite all of them as addition sentences on A, B, and C. Go, and then solve. All right, Destiny.
I don't care about it.
How do I rewrite 6 minus 12 as an addition sentence? My 6 stays the same, right? My subtraction changes to addition, and then the opposite of positive 12 is, so 6 plus a negative 12. Dylan, do I have more negatives or positives?
More negatives.
How many more?
6.
Give me a thumbs up if you got negative 6. Negative 6. Did you rewrite it like I did? I think you changed.
Yeah, I did negatives.
Yeah, don't change that. That stays the same. Okay. Shelby?
How would it stay 6?
Your first number stays the same. You only change the second. Okay, so B, Blaze, how do I rewrite it?
Negative 20 plus negative 15.
Good. So if I have 20 negatives and I add 15 more negatives, Taylin, how many total negatives do I have?
25 or
What?
35.
So my answer is negative
I was trying to say
35.
just
Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Levi, how do I rewrite C?
Negative 22 plus
And what do you get for an answer, Sahara?
negative 40.
Negative 48 is correct. Give me a thumbs up. Perfect. Go on to the next examples. Example 3. I'm still going to rewrite, oh, I'm talking, you're not.
These are just additions.
I'm still going to rewrite these as addition sentences. So how do I rewrite 1 take away negative 2?
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2, right? So what is 1 plus 2?
3. Yeah, 4. 7.
I'm sending this recording to your parents.
Okay. Oh, shoot.
Number 4. How do I rewrite negative 10 take away negative 7? Aaliyah?
Negative 10.
Good. Do I have more negatives or positives, Olivia? And how many more? So negative 3 is my answer. Questions?
No.
Okay.
Easy.
Rewrite D, E, and F as addition sentences, and then solve. Stand quietly when you're done. Riley.
I'm sorry. 4 plus negative 12.
The opposite of negative 12 is,
Positive 12.
so 4 plus 12, which gives you
16.
16. Thumbs up if you got 16.
I did it wrong.
But fix it, please. Okay. Shelby, how do I rewrite E? Good. You have more negatives or positives, Sahara?
More negatives.
How many more?
10.
Thumbs up if you got negative 10. Cole, how do you rewrite the last one?
18 plus 6.
And what did you get?
I got 24.
Give me a thumbs up if you got 24.
What did I?
Good.
Nice job.
Okay. Last examples I got for you. Example 5 and 6. So we have if x minus, or evaluate x minus y if x equals negative 6 and if y equals negative 5. What do I need to do first, Truman?
What do you need to change the. You need.
Mrs. Bosby
started laughing.
I appreciate that you at least try to just give yourself time to figure out where we're at. We're on example 5.
I have the answer.
Truman, follow along.
He's just trying to buy some time to figure out.
Okay. What's your
So what do I need to do first to evaluate x minus y?
Figure out what they are.
Well, what is x
Oh, negative 6.
and y is?
Negative 5.
So I need to take those numbers and
Subtract or
substitute them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So every time I see x, I'm going to write negative 6 minus y, which is negative 5. Now, can you rewrite that as an addition sentence for me, Levi? Gotta use Truman's technique and say, oh, well, the first thing you might do is,
She has been recording this whole thing.
I
want to hear it.
How do I write that as an addition sentence? Negative 6 plus 5. Do I have more negatives or positives, AJ?
You have more of the positives.
That's not negative.
Negatives. How many more do you have?
You have 5 more. No, 6
You
more.
have-
One more.
I have one more.
This is falling apart. I'm not.
This is falling apart real fast.
Just like the technique.
Okay.
I will do 6 for you.
Okay, Cole is gonna do 6 for us.
Just like the Titanic.
So Emma will equal negative 15, and that would be minus 8 because n equals 8.
How do I rewrite it as an addition
To
sentence?
rewrite it, you would have negative 15 plus negative 8, and that would equal negative 23.
Did everybody follow along?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am a math
You
teacher.
You should be.
Hire me.
Hire you. Well, if I hire you, that means you put in for B.
Okay, so B is negative 8.
Okay, so negative 8 minus 10. How do you rewrite it as an addition sentence?
You do negative 8 plus negative 10.
So what do you get for your answer?
You get negative 18.
Thumbs up if that's what you got.
I got it.
Wait. Oh, because it was negative.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Riley, what did you put in for A?
I put in 5
Minus,
minus negative 8.
how do you rewrite it as an addition sentence?
5 plus negative 8.
Oh.
5 plus 8.
Which is
13.
good. And the last one, Cole. What did you put in for C?
I did not do negative 5. Negative 9 minus 5. And in addition sentence, it would be negative 9 plus negative 5. That would equal negative 14. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thumbs up if you do. He's not.
You're not Mr.
No.
Cole.
I
You're
refuse.
Mr. Boston.
You said if you